What's going on, guys?
Hi, mans.
Jacqueline is opening her suspension parts. We're gonna do the rear end on this thing. Here, hold on. Let me get some stuff. No, you shoot. We gotta take the tires off, and we're gonna put in these control arms that she has. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up on the lift. And we'll see what it looks like. I'll show you guys what it's like under there. We gotta take the tires off. We gotta take, obviously, the arms off. The bolts are usually stupid freaking tight on these things. But yeah, so hopefully we can get that done. Then maybe we can put the car around the yard. All right, don't stand under the car, just in case you die. Which way do we need to go? That way. Nope, we're all done. So now we just need to get him out. Let me see.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so now go find what fits this. Okay, looks like 14s maybe. You can look at me. We're replacing these arms, right? And they have adjustment here for your alignment. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a Sharpie and we're just gonna mark this bolt somewhere, right here, and then up here. So now we know when we take this out, we're gonna screw up the alignment, but when we put it back, we can get it aligned back up. That way we know where our alignment goes. It's probably not gonna be right after putting all these arms on, but at least we'll be close. We'll have a decent idea of our alignment. Oh, that's smaller, that's an 18. Yes. Come on, dum-dum. Is it this one? Yeah, it goes like that.
Gary. Where's the other arm? Over here.
Okay, you gotta get it in there and then get that bolt in. It goes head this way. There you go. Hold on, watch yourself. Can you get that? Oh. Now we need a big one, yep. And the 17. You have the 17? No. Oops, we didn't mark this one. Grab the Sharpie. It might be too late. Yep.
What?
What? I'm a whisper. Whisper all the time. I'm on camera and the mic can't hear me. I whisper because I don't know how to talk.
And just give it a little bit. Keep going. Okay, stop. You can look here. If you're not lined up, and you can just kind of pull on this and get it to go. Okay, go ahead.
Just kidding.
Good. Now we just put the washer and the nut back on and tighten it up. Okay, rear suspension's done.
Yes.
If you look, the back tires aren't crooked anymore. I don't know if you can see with the sun. But anyways, let's get in. Let's try to pull this thing out. We'll see if it'll run good enough. If you guys watched the last video, kind of runs rough. But yeah, let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, I can't fit. Where's the thing? There we go. Okay, so the battery's not hooked up. That's why it is dead. But prior to that, this airbag sensor is very close to the ground. So let's go ahead and zip tie this up. That wouldn't be fun. Trigger this sensor. So that's good. The other one's up somewhere, right? And then we can just put you wherever. I don't care. Right there. Good enough for me. All right. Positive going on. Car's awake now. Hood's latched enough. Now we're gonna see if Jackie can drive it.
I cannot.
All right, get your seat comfy. Make sure you can push the clutch in all the way.
Click it. It's not clicking.
That's as far up as it goes. Got it in all the way. Perfect. Okay, so over and up is first. That's where you want to go. Yep, you should be
Up all the
there.
way?
Yep. And now very slowly let off and give it a little bit of gas because the car doesn't run great right now. So just give it a little. Oh,
There's Daisy.
she'll move or she won't.
She won't.
Okay, let's gas. Let's gas. Turn, 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 turn. Let's turn. Clutch in. Where are you going? Don't do that. You're gonna stall the engine. You gotta put it in neutral.
Is
You
it
wanna let off
neutral?
the clutch. It is now.
You did it!
Yeah. Barely.
But you did it. You went.
I did
Right?
it, guys. I did it. Yeah.
That's the second time you drove stick shift?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I
Okay.
didn't have to shift, so does it really count?
I mean, you had to start. Starting's the hardest part. Shifting's easy. First gear, over and up. Yep. Let off the clutch a little bit slower. You went a little fast last time. Oh, stalled it.
I'm sorry.
Clutch in. Turn the key.
Is it neutral?
No, just
Does it have to be
you guys
neutral?
clutch in.
Yeah.
Okay, then turn the key. Okay, so a little more gas, a little less clutch. You gotta come off real slow off the clutch. Too fast. When you feel it grab like that, that's when you start going slow. Before that, you can go fast, but once you feel the car start to load up, that's when you start going slow. So clutch in, start it. Okay, so let off the clutch as slow as you can.
And now I go fast?
No. Keep going. Feel the car start to move, give it a little bit of gas. No, you don't let off the clutch. That's when you go slow. There you go.
Yay!
That's the hardest part, is getting going. Brake, neutral. Park brake. That's good. You don't gotta go crazy. You're in. All right. So what do you think?
We did it, guys. We did it.
It runs and drives. It's most of the way back together. It's got a few things missing on the front. This hood, I noticed, has got a little something something going on with it. It seems really high on that side and not super high on this side. So maybe this hood isn't as straight as the people said it was. But that's okay. It's all fixable. But where we're at, we have a running, driving car again. So that's a big deal. The frame's straight. It's pretty much ready to go get,
Painted?
not painted, go down to MVD and get titled.
Painted's better.
So then it's a legal car. You can actually drive it, not just around your shop. So, but anyways, what do you think, Jack?
I think it's pretty cute. I'm happy that it's done and I can drive. Finally, I don't have to drive mom's cars because they scare me.
They scare you.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm gonna crash and then she's gonna be mad because I crashed her car.
Okay. But anyways, yeah. So what do you think about driving it?
It was fun. I like my car. I'm scared to shift, but other than that, I like it.
So next time we'll get the wipers on. Hopefully we get the bumper on, and then the car's basically finished. Just go get it painted, right?
And interior.
And interior. She has a little bit of interior stuff she wants to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's it. The rear's done. The car runs. Timing belt's done. Made a lot of progress in the last couple weeks.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next week.